Hey guys, welcome to another episode on KinSpiritTech. Today we are going to say a few more words about colors with GGPlot. And in previous episode I showed you how to use different colors palettes, both for your fill argument and color argument. But today I'm going to show you how to take full control over your alpha effect and over gradient effect. Plus, what if you don't like any of those palettes already created with GGPlot? Well, you could create your own, and it's actually a very easy thing to do. So first thing that I'm going to do now, I'm going to provide data to our GGPlot function, and I'm going to create aesthetics of X and Y, and I want my color to be based on Y. And I'm going to create geom point like this, save it, run it, and you see that by default we have this blue and white color for gradient palette, and I want to change that with function of scale color gradient, and for low values I'm going to use color of green, and for high values I want to use color of red. So we are going to create gradient colors from green to red. Save this, run it. Voila! And now I'm going to delete this function, we don't need it anymore, and instead of color I'm going to type alpha in here, so run it. So now you see that our alpha effect depends on value on y-axis, and in order to take better control over this effect I'm going to use another function, scale alpha, and I'm going to provide a range that is going to be collection of two numbers. And those two numbers are going to be minimal and maximal value for our alpha effect. So I want to be in between 0,2 and 0,75. Okay, save it, run it. All right. And now I'm going to remove this function. We don't need it anymore. And I want to change from alpha to color, but I'm going to base color on Z. So now if I run this code, you see that color is going to differ in regards of category Z. And now in order to create a custom list, we are going to create colors like this, and must be list in order for this to work. Keep in mind that we need exact the same number of values like with our columns, so 60. So now I'm going to create 4 different values, let's say yellow, green, you could use custom colors too, then red and purple, but I'm going to wrap this with function wrap. Okay, I need this to be repeated 15 times, and wrap must be true, like this. So now I'm going to provide one more function to our GGPlot, scale color discrete. And if you are actually dealing with fill colors, you are going to use scale fill discrete. And now we are going to provide type of this list we just have created, so colors. If I run this code, okay, probably have some typo in here. Yes, it's typo. Let's try it again. And finally, as you see, our custom palette of colors works. So we have yellow, first value, green, red, and finally purple. So guys, thank you for watching. I hope that you have learned something interesting. So please like, subscribe, and see ya.